Pretend I'm your child, Lois. Nutmeg.
Your house posted with a big lock. I got a shooter, he looking like Baby Santana. He kinda little with some dreadlocks. Glock 19 with a beam at your head top. Pull out the AK-47, aim it at you, that's a dead op. And